Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, reported that the value of imports from the CARICOM region fell by 8% between January to May 2024. This was due mainly to a decline in the value of food and mineral fuels imports from CARICOM. Statin states that spending on goods coming into the country from the region was valued at US $165.3 million. For the similar 5-month period last year, these imports were valued at US $179.7 million. Minister of Finance, Dr. Nigel Clark, stated that there were 190,068 approved applications for the government's reverse income tax credit. The government estimates that approximately 580,000 Jamaican taxpayers will benefit from the initiative. It is expected to cost approximately 11.4 billion Jamaican dollars. The application period for the reverse income tax credit is October 2 to December 2. The reverse income tax credit provides a one-off $20,000 credit to individual taxpayers who earn less than $3 million annually. Garnet Reed, president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, SBAJ, states Valerie Vieira, CDJP, a dedicated public servant and visionary who has spent more than 2 decades championing the growth and development of Jamaica's small, micro, and medium enterprises. As she demits office as Chief Executive Officer of the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, the SBAJ sends its heartfelt appreciation for her profound impact. Revered as the mother of Jamaican MSMEs, Ms. Vieira has nurtured, guided, and mentored a generation of entrepreneurs, empowering them to turn ideas into thriving businesses. As she passes the baton to the next generation of leaders at the JBDC, the SBAJ joins entrepreneurs, partners, stakeholders, and staff in raising their hats in gratitude. During trading for the period October 7, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Financial and insurance conglomerate Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited, with 2,471,284 units, represented 21.58% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited, with 1,500,904 units, represent 13.10% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Gas station operator Future Energy Source Company Limited, ordinary shares with 1,138,113 units, represented 9.94% of the total market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On October 7, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $57.48 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $50.32 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.74 and bought the US dollar for $157.11. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.63, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.24 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $117.11 and bought for $115.87. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.66, selling it for $207.68 and buying it for $204.02. For our credit report tip of the day, what happens when you turn 45 but you haven't met your goals, you're just paying debt, and you feel like your credit worthiness hasn't grown? Well, we have 2 strategies to help you manage the process of rebuilding your credit worthiness after 45. First, don't close any of your old accounts. The length of your credit history is key to your score. Keep older accounts open and active by making small, regular purchases and paying them off. Secondly, diversify your credit mix. Have different types of credit cards, mortgages, installment loans, and this helps improve your credit score by showing you can manage multiple types of credit. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.